street in Doha. That's all air conditioned. See about the length 500 meters. This is means like 500 yards or 480 yards. Actually it feels kind of a little cold. Here's this our vent here. You can put on the fountain. And all the fancy cars you see in Doha, they are here. For the vent on the floor here. That's our air vent. I don't know if you can hear them if we get close enough.